A friendly greeting to start with.
Friendly greeting, hopefully someone who can help them with their problem over the phone. If not, we are call to action door service.
We do. Here's something. We do take the time to get enough information from you to see how best serve your needs, and it happens all the time where we walk people through their problem over the phone. So,
right.
But if the need arises where you need a technician or an estimate for repair or a new door, we take care of that too.